Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anne Design Craft channel. Today, we're diving into the classic and versatile favorite, the granny square. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, granny squares are a fantastic way to create beautiful, handmade pieces. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors, a needle. Make a knot in a magic ring. Then do 2 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this 8 times. Here, I crochet 1 single crochet and then make another single crochet on top of it to replace starting with 2 chains. Then continue to do double crochet. And 1 chain. Repeat this 8 times. Now 1 set is done. Make another 7 sets on this pattern. 2 double crochet. And 1 chain. After completing this round, we'll switch to another color. To do this, cut the yarn and fasten off. Next, insert the needle into the second stitch. Pass the yarn through, then insert the needle into the last stitch and pass the yarn through that stitch as well. This method provides a cleaner finish for the round. In round 2, insert the hook to the chain in round 1, then make a knot to start round 2. Do 2 double crochet. Then follow by 1 chain, and follow by 2 double crochet. Work all this into same stitch. Skip the 2 double crochet. Repeat the same pattern in the chain. After completing this round, we'll switch to another color. To do this, cut the yarn and fasten off. Next, insert the needle into the second stitch. Pass the yarn through, then insert the needle into the last stitch and pass the yarn through that stitch as well. This method provides a cleaner finish for the round. In round 3, switch to a different color yarn. First, make a knot with the new color yarn at the chain from the previous round. Do 5 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this 8 times and work this in all the chain in previous round. After completing this round, we'll switch to another color. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Next, insert the needle into the second stitch. Pass the yarn through. Then insert the needle into the last stitch and pass the yarn through that stitch as well. In round 4, switch to another color. Make a knot in the third double crochet. Start with 3 single crochet. Then insert the hook into round 1 here, and make 1 single crochet. After that, do 2 single crochet. Repeat this pattern 8 times. After completing this round, we'll switch to another color. In round 5, insert the hook into this stitch. Then make a knot. Start with 3 single crochet. One half double crochet, two double crochet, then follow by 1 triple crochet. 2 chains, and 1 triple crochet. Work all this in same stitch. Continue with 2 double crochet, one half double crochet, and 2 single crochet. Here you have complete 1 corner for a square. Repeat this pattern 3 more times to complete all 4 corners and finish the square shape. In round 6, continue with the same yarn. Start with 7 double crochet. When reach the corner, work with 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochet in the corner. Then continue with 6 double crochet. Repeat this 4 times. After completing all 4 corners, your granny square is now finished. By the end, you'll be ready to make a bunch of granny squares and turn them into your next amazing project. I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I did. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crafting fun. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!